Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, guys. There's something a bit different today. My name is not itsgogina, it's Reggie, so welcome to Reggie's channel. Today actually we're going to be doing some quarantine knotless braids because So I did these braids on freshly washed hair after doing an aloe vera deep treatment / pre-poo, which I did record, so make sure you look out for that video. And even so, actually, subscribe so that you can get notified on when I do post that video, guys. My goal for this video is to actually just serve as inspiration to anyone who's at home that wants to do braids, knotless braids, or whatever during this time, because sis, ain't nobody going out anywhere. So hopefully this serves as inspiration to you. So if you're new to the channel, then I got to put you in game, okay? Your girl's hair edges has been breaking off, so usually I'm gonna do a check-in just to see where I'm at. I'm still using the wild growth hair oil to kind of grow out these edges, but I got something on the way for you. So right now I'm just doing the everyday step of detangling and moisturizing my hair, kind of prepping it for blow drying. And with the blow drying itself, I would have rather not blow dried my hair, but only because I was on a time crunch, or else I'm like not touching heat. I think I've only touched heat only twice this year, and they're both for weddings, so I would rather just do like the banding method or something. Okay guys, we're still here trying to promote healthy hair, healthy growth, and healthy habits. So even though we're using heat right now, let's just try to minimize how hot we're going. Stick with warm and cool temperature and just alternate back and forth. Okay, so let me tell you this, guys. When I tell you that I did not know where I was going with this, because this was your girl's first time ever doing knotless braids, I did not know where I was going with this. The beginning was a struggle. And I always say this, actually, the beginning is always going to be a struggle until you find your groove and your pattern. So don't fret. Don't fret. Right thing to do was to part my whole head, but of course I did not do that. But please, I advise you, if you want a smooth session, part your whole head before you continue, and don't be like me. And we won't have to cry no more. braids is that you're going to want a seamless beginning. You're going to braid the beginning of your hair, just maybe 3 braids, and then you're going to add in pieces of the hair extension little by little. You're also going to want to just kind of gauge how large your parting is to be able to gauge how much extensions you should add to your hair.
Parting my hair was a challenge. If you have anyone that can help you, or better yet, a mirror, anything whereby you can see the back of your head, please grab that. I use my camera, to be honest. So ladies, remember how I was saying the beginning can be such a struggle? Best believe those through 3 rows that you see there, I took them out. And you'll see at the end, I definitely took them out and we did them. If you can see why, then I'm glad you can see why. They were just not the same size as the rest of the parting space that I kind of went along with. So I want to just quickly emphasize how important it is to part your whole head before, or more so how helpful it will be to part your whole head before, because I did a good job. I started off somewhat well with the front, and then I took it out and then I messed up and it left like a square, no, not a square, it left a triangle parting, which is so not pretty. So be smart on your parting. It'll all be over, and we won't And that's basically everything that I can share about knotless braids. One thing I do want to point out is that I know that people think that braids are not good for your edges and all of that, but sis, let me tell you about these knotless braids, because these are about to be a staple, a go-to. It is not pulling on my edges, and that would be honestly like the best thing that I love about knotless braids. No tension, no pain. Girl, you're good. So anyways, y'all, enjoy the rest of the video. If you've gotten to this point, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think. See you guys in the next video. One of these
and we won't have to cry.